Hello, my name is Beth Kellum, and I'm running for place number 1 on the Court of Criminal Appeals. From an early age, I learned to have faith in the Lord, to work hard, to be accountable for my actions, and to have respect for others. Like many of you, I grew up here in Alabama, in Vance, a small town in Tuscaloosa County. On Sundays, my parents and I attended Vance Baptist Church, where my father was a deacon, my mother taught Sunday school and sang in the choir, and my brother and I attended Sunday school and were active in various youth activities. The Court of Criminal Appeals reviews every kind of criminal offense imaginable, from the most trivial misdemeanor to the most vicious and violent of crimes, including capital murder offenses. For this reason, it is important to have a judge with the experience and judicial temperament to handle all of these cases. I have a conservative judicial philosophy. I believe in following the law rather than making the law. I do not believe in judicial activism. After graduating from the University of Alabama Law School in 1984, I came to Montgomery to work for Attorney General Charlie Graddick. I was assigned to work in the Criminal Appeals Division. In the Criminal Appeals Division, I filed hundreds of briefs before the Court of Criminal Appeals and the Alabama Supreme Court and argued dozens of cases. Later on in private practice, I continued my appellate advocacy, filing still more briefs in the civil and criminal appeals courts and the Alabama Supreme Court. I also filed cases in federal courts, in the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, as well as the U.S. Supreme Court. I also have 14 years as a staff attorney to the Court of Criminal Appeals and the Alabama Supreme Court. I have worked with the judges on a daily basis and seen how hard they work to fairly and impartially apply the law in each case before them. I have assisted the court in writing well over 1,000 appellate decisions. I have written decisions involving every type of crime, from misdemeanors to rapes, robberies, murders, and even death penalty cases. It seems hard to believe here in Alabama, but we have many cases involving child sex abuse and spousal abuse. These cases are particularly troubling to me, and it is these types of cases that the Court of Criminal Appeals should pay particular attention to. The Court of Criminal Appeals has one of the highest caseloads of any intermediate appellate court in the country. It is almost twice the national average. Because of this caseload, there is simply no time for on-the-job training. Based on my experience, I will require no on-the-job training. Instead, I will be ready to serve the people from day one. I will also be an advocate for the elderly and the unborn. Because this is a judicial race, it would not be proper for me to make any statements regarding how I would rule in any particular case. I will, however, promise to render fair and impartial decisions in a timely manner. I humbly ask for your prayers, your support, and your vote on Tuesday, July 15th. Thank you, and God bless.